This is John Grover. It's February 5th, 2018, about 6 p.m., right after the 5% day pullback on the S&P 500 and the Dow. And I wanted to look at the charts real quick just to go over what we have experienced as of today and how that relates to the monthly update where I called for a 5 to 17% pullback. We're 10% into that pullback already, and I did not expect that to happen within 2 weeks. But it's done currently, and let's look where we stand. This chart we're looking at here is a weekly chart instead of the monthly chart I showed on the monthly update. So each bar is 1 week, and it's a little bit faster, therefore. The trend is still up, but we did fall back into that channel or that trend line that I mentioned being above on the monthly update. So we're firmly back into it, and that technically is a failure to break out. So we're back in this channel that is still moving in an uptrend fashion. And so we'll just have to see how it develops. But generally, we may test this lower side or go sideways until we're in the lower side as the time goes on. The green indicator on the weekly is very near to a spot that has proven to be a buy before. Some of the bigger pullbacks have actually been below the area we're very near, so of course anything can happen. I still expect that this is simply a pullback, but the sharpness of this exceeds any of these previous sharp pullbacks by a matter of degree. We could look at the 2008 time frame real quickly. Some of these pullbacks in here looked like what we're getting now, but only once the crash began. So you can see that this is an extremely strong pullback after an extremely strong market. I guess one comes after the other, and volatility is increasing as we sort of expected a few months ago. That said, a lot further damage has to be done before we call this full bull market over. Momentum on the monthly charts is up, and we can, until the trend literally turns on the weekly, we have to say that it's up because it's an objective measure. So hold on if you can, if you haven't already sold out some positions. Or if you looked at this early pullback as a bargain hunting thing, just be patient. I think we will get a bounce back up, and we will see that soon, hopefully. But if we continue on down past this green support line, the lower edge of this channel, I would say it's time to reinitiate your defenses and sell while you can. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk later.